my name is Shub. I'm in second grade and I'm going to solve this blue on all of these Rubik's cubes. This one has red, so just.
Oh man, you're doing too fast. You're jumbling them up?
Yep. Okay, this one. Okay, after just till like 20 more seconds, then I'll start. Okay, well, so I have a pyramid, two 2x2s, and a 3x3. We'll start solving blue with the pyramids. So I'm gonna start it now. I did it, see?
Awesome.
Now on one of the 2x2s. That was way too fast.
Okay.
Now on the 3x3. One more left. I have it on the 3x3
Nice.
and on the 2x2. That's the other 2x2.
Alrighty, awesome. Can you show us making some flags? How about flag for India?
India? Okay. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Not quite done yet. Not quite. Okay, last step. And done.
Sure. Oh, wow. And how about maybe Italy?
Okay. Done.
Wow, that was quick. Awesome. Thank you, Shub.
You're welcome.